Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. This is walking you through adding in a class to your library with let me start that over. This is adding a classroom to your Google Classroom, and this will be adding the Melillo library so that you can check out books from the library. Yay! Okay, so first thing you need to do, we've got steps. The first step is to make sure that you've got your Google Classroom open so that you can see all of your Google Classroom tiles. Pause this video, hit play once you've gotten to your Google Classroom screen. Okay, by now we should, or I should say you should be able to see your Google Classroom. All right, cool. So now what I want you to do is find this plus button. Okay, when you hover over it, it will say create or join a class. Select join class. All right, then you need to put in a code. So here is the code. You need to look for your social studies teacher. So if I am your teacher, you're going to put in the first one, 42D6HY5. If Ms. Sanchez is your teacher for social studies, your code is SO, not 0, right? The letter O, 5G3JH. If Ms. Lowe is your social studies teacher, your code is 4YFDZ34. Richardson is YSOTYQT. Aw, cutie. All right, so pause the video, put in your code, whatever code you have, and it's on my screen, so I'm actually just going to copy and paste it. Right, y'all are probably typing, and then you click join on the page. Select join. It is joining. Awesome. So this is our library classroom. All right, so pause the video if you need to get your code, and then join. All right, so once you have joined your library classroom, it looks like this. Okay, it says Melillo Library. This will say your social studies teacher's name. Okay, so if I'm your social studies teacher, you're going to see my name. If I'm not your teacher, you will see your social studies teacher's name. Cool. All right, to check out library books, go to the classwork tab. And then here, Miss Yoakum has different topics. So I like to start from the bottom. So like if you need to know how to get a book from Tumblebook or Sora or Access 360, different ebook platforms, this is where you go, right? How do I log my reading? You're going to look at this, okay? Beanstack reading logs, using the library catalog. Hold on one second. Yes, okay, so, sorry. Placing a book on hold, okay? So placing a book on hold is ways that you can, this is one of the ways that you can get a book from the library, and Miss Yoakum has got instructions here. You're going to watch these videos from her. And then the other one I think that you want to look at for getting a book would be face-to-face book requests, which is not, I think this is curbside. I have a feeling this is going to be curbside, but you're just going to click view material, and you're going to fill out the Google Forms for Miss Yoakum, and then she's going to get back to you and make sure that you get books to read. Awesome! Thank you so much for watching this, and happy reading.